Your air conditioner making loud sucking noises around the filters is usually a sign that something's off with your airflow or filter setup. So, first off, check if your air filter is clogged or super dirty, because that can totally block airflow and cause your AC to strain and make noise. Make sure the filter is the right size for your unit. Like, if it's too small or loose, air can whistle or suck in loudly. Also, see if the filter is installed properly. It should fit snug without gaps. Another thing is to inspect the ductwork near the filter for any holes or loose connections, because leaks can create those weird sucking sounds. You can try turning off your AC and replacing the filter with a fresh, clean one to see if that quiets things down. If you've got pets or lots of dust, consider upgrading to a higher quality filter that traps more particles without restricting airflow too much. Sometimes, the blower fan motor could be working too hard if there's a blockage, so cleaning or servicing the fan might help. Lastly, keep an ear out for any rattling or vibrating parts near the filter housing, since loose panels can amplify noises. One of the biggest mistakes people make when their AC sucks loudly at the filters is ignoring dirty filters. This clogs airflow and strains the system, so swap them out regularly every 1 to 3 months depending on use. Another common issue is using the wrong filter, size, or type. This messes with airflow and causes noise, so always check your AC manual or ask a pro for the right fit. The third problem is neglecting duct leaks near the filter area. These leaks suck air in unevenly and make loud noises, so sealing ducts with mastic or metal tape can fix that quick. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who know their stuff when it comes to HVAC fixes like noisy AC units. Plus, it's a solid way for contractors to connect with folks needing work, making projects smoother for everyone involved.